Straight lines number 8. If 2 comma 1 minus 1 comma minus 2 3 comma 3 are the midpoints of sides BC CA AB of triangle ABC, then equation of AB is what is given? D comma E comma F are midpoints of triangle ABC of the sides BC CA AB respectively. BC CA AB respectively. Find equation of AB. Find equation of AB. Suppose AB is parallel to D. This is the midpoints. D, E, F midpoints. AB is parallel to DE. This is the basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. AB is parallel to DE. AB is parallel to DE. First, passing through the one point, take slope. First, take this slope, DE slope. D line slope first. Next, parallel line. Slopes are same. Passing through the one point, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. First, take slope, this line slope. y2 minus y1 by 1 minus of minus 2. 1 minus of my slope. First, DE slope. 1 minus of minus 2. 1 plus 2 by 2 minus of minus 1. 2 plus 1. 3 by 3 once. Slope on this line slope. Lines are parallel. So this line slope same. This line slope same. Having slope m equal to 1. Passing through the point 3 comma 3. So equation of line y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is the x1 y1. Passing through the point, so x1 y1. x1 plus 1 x1 plus 3 y1 plus 3. Y minus 3 equal to m plus slopes are equal. Slopes are equal. Y lines are parallel. M plus 1 x minus x1 x minus 3. 1 into x 1 into minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 cancel. X plus becomes minus x minus y equal to 0. Option is 4. The equation of the line perpendicular to x is equal to 3 and passing through minus 4 comma 2 is actually any line perpendicular to x is equal to 3 is any line perpendicular to x is equal to 3 is y equal to k. This is the formula. Any line perpendicular to x is equal to 3 is y equal to k. This line passing through the point minus 4 comma 2. X plus minus 4 y plus 2. Passing through the point x plus minus 4 y plus 2. Here no x's. So y plus 2. Y plus right 2. 2 equal to k. Here substitute this value. K equal to 2. Y equal to k plus 2. Y equal to 2. This is the equation of the line. Option is 1. The equation of the line perpendicular to the 2x plus 3y perpendicular to the 2x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0 and passing through the origin. Any line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equal 0 and passes through x1 y1 is formula bx minus ay equal to bx1 minus ay1, which is passing through the point origin. Origin means 0 comma 0 and x1 plus 0 y1 plus 0. This is the formula. Any line ax plus by plus c. This is the line ax plus by plus given line ax plus equation of the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Perpendicular line formula bx minus ay. A plus b bx. Here plus becomes minus b plus a. Bx minus ay equal to b same right bx1 x plus x1 bx1 minus a y1 y plus y1 x1 y1 means 0 comma 0. Bx b means here b means 3x minus right compulsory. A means 2y equal to bx1 b means here 3 into which is the passing through the origin. Passing through the origin means 0 comma 0 x1 plus 0 y1 plus 0. bx1, b means 3 into 0 minus a plus 2, 2 into 0, 3x minus 2y equal to, this is the total 0. Option is 3. The equation of the line passing through 2 comma 3 and perpendicular to the line joining. This is the line joining, perpendicular to the line joining. A B points given. One line passing through the 2 comma 3, two lines are perpendicular. This is the formula. This is the x1 y1. This is the take x1 y1. This is the x2 y2. x1 y1 x2 y2. Formula x2 minus x1 into x plus y2 minus y1 into y equal to x2 same, right? x2 minus x1, right ma? Here x plus x3, this is the x3 y3, this is the x3, this is the y3. So same x2 minus x1 into x3 plus y2 minus y1 into y3. Here x3 y3 right. x2 minus x1 minus 6 minus 5 minus 6 plus 5 into x plus, this is the formula, y2 minus y1 5 minus 6 into y equal to, say x2 minus x1 value minus 6 plus 5 value minus 1 into x3 means this value 2 plus y2 minus y1 this value 5 minus 6 minus 1 y3 is 3. Here minus 1 is minus 6 plus 5 minus 1 into x minus x, 5 minus 6 minus 1 into y minus y equal to minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus 1 into 3 minus 3 minus 6 minus y equal to minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 minus common x plus y equal to minus 4, minus cancel, x plus y plus becomes minus 2, minus 5 equal to 0. This is option number 4.